Hello everyone, and welcome back to English with Munna. I'm Munna, and today we have a super useful episode for improving your English listening.
And I'm Mahim. Thanks for joining us again. Today's episode is all about something you do every single day, whether you like it or not.
Eat?
No, my friend. I'm talking about your daily routine. Today's topic is English listening practice. Talk about your day in easy English.
Ah, right. That actually sounds fun.
This topic is very important for English learners because talking about your day is one of the easiest and most practical ways to improve your speaking.
Yes, and we talk about our daily routines all the time, with friends, coworkers, even online.
Exactly. When you learn how to describe your day in simple English, you can talk confidently in many real-life situations.
Plus, it helps you think in English because your day is something you already know. Okay, Mahim, let's start. Tell us, what does your day usually look like?
All right, but remember, I keep it simple for our listeners. So here's my usual day. I wake up at around 7 a.m. I drink a glass of water. Then I take a shower, get dressed, and make breakfast. After that, I start work.
You see? That's easy English, clear and simple. Okay, now my turn. I wake up at 8 a.m., unless my alarm betrays me, which is most days.
Very relatable.
After waking up, I check my phone for a few minutes. Then I brush my teeth, wash my face, and get ready for the day. If I'm hungry, I eat breakfast. If not, I drink tea and pretend I'm full.
Yeah, tea can fix anything.
True. After breakfast or tea, I start my work or whatever tasks I have for the day.
And what do you do in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I usually take a short break, maybe walk outside or listen to music. Then I continue working.
Nice. My afternoon is similar. I usually take a 10-minute break to relax my mind.
Okay, evenings are my favorite time. After work, I like to go for a walk, talk to family, or watch something online.
That sounds peaceful. What about you?
In the evening, I often exercise for 20 to 30 minutes. Then I take a shower and have dinner with my family.
Family dinner feels good. And after dinner?
After dinner, I relax. Sometimes I read, sometimes I watch a show. Then at around 11 p.m., I go to sleep.
Nice. I try to sleep early, but try is the key word. All right, now let's give our listeners some helpful tips for describing their day in English. Daily routines usually use the simple present. For example, I wake up, I eat breakfast, I go to work.
Yes, keep it simple. No need to make it complicated. Add words like in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. It makes your sentences clearer.
Exactly. And also, usually, sometimes, always, never. Don't try to make very long sentences. Short, clear sentences are easier for listeners to understand.
Even native speakers use simple sentences when describing routine. For example, instead of saying, I eat breakfast, say, I eat eggs and bread for breakfast. A little detail makes it sound real.
But don't add too many details. Keep it balanced. Talk about your day like you're talking to a friend. If you practice for 2 to 3 minutes every day, you'll improve fast.
Yes, talking out loud is a game changer. All right, now let's explain some useful vocabulary that we use today.
Good idea. Let's start. Daily routine, meaning the things you do every day in the same order.
Meaning, a short time when you stop working to relax.
Relax, meaning to rest and feel calm.
Usually, meaning something that happens most of the time.
Pretend, meaning to act like something is true even if it is not.
Okay, let's quickly review today's episode.
Sure, we talked about how to describe your daily routine in easy English.
We shared examples from our own days, morning, afternoon, and evening.
We also gave 5 useful tips. Use simple present tense, add time words, keep sentences short, add small details, and practice speaking out loud.
And we explained some helpful vocabulary words to support your learning.
If you enjoyed this episode and want more English listening practice, make sure to subscribe to our channel, English with Munna.
We post simple, friendly, podcast-style English conversations every week.
Keep listening, keep practicing, and keep improving.
See you in the next episode.